Shan and Anup Lal, who helped us getting this rights. And this film we watched on the first day, second show. That day onwards, we were after the film that we should release in Andhra and Telangana. But Ravi Garu, Naveen Garu, everybody saw in first 3 days. So everybody wanted to promote this film here. And we first day itself, we felt it's a blockbuster. So I don't know Malayalam language at all, but that film, no language barrier. So that's the best part of that film. And basically, normally, if you see any friendship films, normally one friend and another friend films we have seen till now. But this film is a film of 10, 12 members together from childhood days. So that is the best part of this film. So normally in everybody's life, we need friends like that. So that felt very close to my heart. So because in my life also there was lows and very, very dull situations, depression. But that day, one of my friend, Mr. Ravi, who came to me and spoken to me, given me strength, given me guidance. He was my mentor. So everything, and then again I came back to my work, and now I am doing very good. But see, when we are low, we need friends like this. So that is which this film was very close to me. So, and first of all, the Mr. Dinesh, you were part of Maitri team, but seriously, he was like, without him, I don't know, we couldn't get this release date, because he was following up with the content, everything. And because of language barrier or whatever it is, so because of, we have to congratulate Dinesh Garu in this situation, because from agreement stage, everything, because it is new for us also, doing a first Kerala film. So, and everything is new for us. So finally we got through everything, and now the film is releasing on April 6th. And one more thing, so because this film is so big hit, so we are first time Malayalam film premieres we are organizing. So April 5th evening we are already released paid premieres, and this is the first time for a Malayalam film to have a paid premieres. So this is a big achievement. And we are not releasing this as a dubbing film like that. So almost we are releasing almost 250 to 300 screens close to it. Because in spite of so many big films also, we are releasing this film in a bigger way. And ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన మీడియా సోదరులకి అందరికీ కృతజ్ఞతలండి. సో ఎప్పుడు మీ సపోర్ట్ మాకు ఎప్పుడు ఉంది, అండ్ ఆల్వేస్ దేర్. సో హనుమాన్కి నేను ఆ రోజు చెప్పాను, మీడియా సోదరులు అందరూ కూడా మాకు చాలా వెన్నంటూ ఉండి మాకు సపోర్ట్ చేశారని. బట్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా మీ ఆశీస్సులు మాకు ఎప్పుడు ఉండాలి సార్. మీ ఆశీస్సులు మాకు ఇప్పుడే కాదు ఎప్పుడు ఉండాలి, ఖచ్చితంగా ఉంటుందని నమ్ముతున్నాను. అండ్ ముఖ్యంగా మా ఈ టీంలో వర్క్ చేసిన సాయి గారికి, నెక్స్ట్ అనురాగ్ గారికి, అండ్ శ్రేయాస్ మీడియాకి, అండ్ మాతో ఫస్ట్ టైం మాతో కలిసి వర్క్ చేస్తున్న ప్రైమ్ ఫోకస్ నిరంజన్ రెడ్డి గారికి, అందరికీ సభాముఖంగా థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్తున్నాను. అండ్ sir, I hope you people are enjoying this Hyderabad. So, and this is just the pre-release, sir, and we hope we will see in the success meet also. So we wanted this to be very big. Always Ravi Garu tells me that, see, this film, he always sees this film as a very big film. So that is why we were not compromised on any part of marketing. So everything we are doing as a Maitri own film. See, that is the specialty of Maitri. So whatever we do a film, we own it first, and then we promote in a bigger way. Because that's the way we want everybody to win. The artist has to win, the director has to win, and the producer has to win, and all exhibitors also has to win. So thank you and for giving me this opportunity.